What's up, everybody? It's your boy, it's Chef Paul. I'm in Chaney kitchen number 2. But you know what? We're all quarantined, and I thought, people been saying, Chaney, where the video? Where the video? I said, I gotta put something together. I gotta come with something good, for everybody that's quarantined, everybody staying safe. But before I get started, first, let me say thank you. I want to thank you to those people that are on the front lines, all those medical workers, first responders. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, because you guys are out there dealing with this pandemic. For the rest of us, we need to stay put. We can't be running around in stores and mingling with everybody. We got to keep that social distance, and we got to stay safe. So while we're in the house, what can we do? Oh, it's time to put your cooking skills to use. So people, I'm going to use this word because every time somebody asks me, Chaney, where's your video? People have been clamoring. All of my chef and cheferettes, all of my fans, Chaney, we need a video. That's what I do. I'm here to help. So I got some nice pork chops. Put them, I use just a little, in addition to a little garlic powder. I add some mesquite from the Grill Masters, and then just some ground black pepper. In addition to that, you can't see it behind me, but also I have some water steaming, so we're gonna do some broccoli. And then also I got a lot of corn, so I got my corn right here. We're gonna drop it in the water here in a few. But first and foremost, you guys know I love the air fryer. So I got my handy dandy air fryer right here, and we're gonna air fry these pork chops. We're gonna do them for a total of 20 minutes. We're gonna do 10 on one side, take a break, come back, do the other 10. Oh, man. Now you guys saw my last video with Mr. Kent Wilson. We did the Greek Cajun salmon. People have tried it. They love it. If you missed that video, go back and watch that. Chef Kent Wilson, he came out with a masterpiece there. One of my best friends called, said, hey, I'm doing that Greek Cajun salmon on everything. Salad, by itself, with a veggie, you name it. So check that one out if you missed that one. But today, it's all about the pork chop. We're going back to the pork chop. Pork chop, broccoli, and corn. So I've already preheated my air fryer. First thing you do when you get an air fryer, before you use it, you gotta season it. So set it for about 5 minutes. I put it at 400 degrees, went through that part. All right, to get started, what I'm going to do is go ahead and open up my air fryer. Just gonna open it. We're gonna put these chops right down in there. Put them in. And again, we're doing one side for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna come back. Did you hear that beep? Whoop. That means, hey, all I gotta do is turn it on. But we're doing one side for 10 minutes, then we're gonna turn right back around and do the other side. Get them nice and crispy. So let's get this started. So, got it at 15 minutes. We're gonna take that down to 10 minutes. And we got that temperature set. There we go. Hey, so stay with me. I'll be right back. We're gonna get the rest of the vegetables going, and we got those air fried pork chops, Chaney style, coming right back at you. All right, all my chef and chefettes, it's your boy, Chef Chaney. I'm back. We got about a minute to go, and then we're gonna pull those pork chops out. I cleaned my cutting board. We're gonna lay them right here, let those rest for a second. My broccoli is done. Oh, it smells good. Put a little cheese on top of it. Got my corn back there. And then I went and I got my bottle of vino. So I got a bottle of vino that's gonna go with our meal. This is actually Sterling, the Vintner's Collection Meritage. With the pork chops, the broccoli, and the corn. Oh, it's a meal. This is my quarantine meal. But you know what, people? Seriously, you're gonna be eating good while you're quarantined and you're in the house. But it's a mixture of diet and exercise. Uh-oh, I hear beeping. You gotta make sure, you're doing some push-ups, doing some sit-ups, doing some jumping jacks, sign on to an online program to help, because just sitting still and being a couch potato, not any good. So let's pull these out, let's take a look. Oh, look at that first one. Comes out nice and golden. Oh, beautiful. Pull that second one out. Oh, look at the color on there. So we're just gonna let those 2 chops sit here for a second. We're gonna get these plates prepared, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna dig in. Oh, cooking with Chef Chaney in the kitchen today. I'm back. I'm your quarantine chef, trying to stay safe. I want you to stay safe also. All right, all my chef and chefettes, it's your boy. I'm back. All the food is on the plate. The wine is in the glass. I got my baby sitting right here next to me. We're gonna try this air fried pork chop with some broccoli and cheese and some corn. Should I do the honors, baby?
Please.
All right, let me taste a piece of this pork chop. Air fried. All the flavor. And it's so tender, juicy on the inside, little crust on the outside. If you don't have an air fryer, well, you're quarantined, so you can't get one till we get out of quarantine. But once you get out of quarantine, woo! But if you have one, pull that bad boy out, put it to use. Also, I got to just send a quick shout out to Steve and Bard. They gave me my first air fryer a while back, and then my boss, Chip, thank you, sir, he gave me another one. So I got 2 air fryers, and I'm air frying everything. Get a little taste of this vino. Cheers, baby.
Cheers.
Oh, that's good. So remember, follow me on YouTube, Chef Chaney. Send me an email, chefchaney1911@gmail.com. Also, I'm on Pinterest. I want to hear your comments. I want to know after you use that air fryer, what do you think? Is it worth it? It was a quick meal, less than 30 minutes. Have you digging in, baby?
Yeah.
Okay, she's digging in now. So we're going to eat and we're going to enjoy ourselves. It's just the 2 of us. Peace to all of you and your family. Stay safe.